Okay, everybody, today we are going to start getting into some of the more complex moves. So we are going to talk about one steps today. So first you're going to watch this video, going through the PowerPoint content and explaining what is expected of you for the exit ticket today. Then go through the PowerPoint on your own and watch the videos, practice along with the videos, whatever you need to do. Then you're going to turn in your exit ticket by videotaping yourself and doing the Song 1 moves. All right. So the PowerPoint link is here. It is also down here if that link is not working. So once we click on that, it will bring us to the one steps. As you can see, there's about 5 minutes of video today, which will leave you lots of practice time. So today we're learning distancing and defensive strategies to coordinate with practice techniques. You will need a partner. So one thing to think about when you're doing this is showing respect and strength demonstrated with skill techniques and vocal terms. So make sure when you're watching the videos, you're listening to their yells and their terms they're doing along with the move that they are doing at the same time. So when we get to one step number 1, that video is right here. It's going to be 1 minute. You're going to want to practice this one move multiple times. Okay, you're going to need to know what number 1 is. Same thing down here with one step number 2 and one step number 3. And then you're going to put it all together. There's a quick review of Song 1 and the 3 one steps. And then for today's assignment, you're going to submit a video of the full Song 1. So it's going to be all 18 moves. What we want you to do is just do your best. So we understand that this is totally new to you guys and it's a lot to learn, but it's our chance to give you feedback before we're going to test out next week. So next week, you're going to test out on this and your one steps. So in your video, you're going to need to say your name and do your 18 moves of your Song 1. So as I said earlier, just let us see what you know right now, and you're going to upload that in here by midnight tonight.